Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jason with Pest Hunter Outdoors. Today I'm going to be putting a feeding station in for the pest animals that I will be having to dispatch here inside the house or out in the yard. Instead of having traps out there which do not discriminate, they will trap anything that fits in there, even the animals you don't want. So I'm setting up a targeted base station so I can hit with the air guns. I already pre-drilled a hole in here for the bottom so I can attach it to the board here. I got a bait hole here, and if I wanted to put something smaller bait in there, I can put a piece of tape in there, or I can rotate this. This is going to be the body for it. I have the top for it here. So let's go ahead and put this together. So I haven't gotten a piece of plywood here for the back of it yet, but I'll probably do that a little bit later on. Something so I can clip a light up above it so I can shine down with just enough light so it doesn't chase any of the wild animals away. I have a backstop here to actually stop the pellet, which you'll see. I'm going to fill this full of duck seal that you get here at your local hardware store. This is for electrical boxes, so you can make a seal. And let's go ahead, let's put this together. So make sure that is in forward. Go ahead, get this started here. Okay, we got that there. Make sure that's going to be orientated just right here. So as you can see, I have the hole here. I'm going to have my box right here. I'm going to put 2 screws into here, which is going to hold it into place. There. As you can see, that is on there. That's not going to go anywhere. Then we're going to go ahead, we're going to pop this in here. As you can see here, I'll show you guys here. I can either push the PVC pipe in further or pull it out, depending on the size of the bait I'm going to be using. I'm just going to test with corn right here. I know sunflower seeds are a lot smaller, but that's what the mice and rats actually prefer, so I still need to get a bag of that. Then I'm going to lay this on its back here and put the gloves on, and then I'm going to put the duck seal inside it here. I'm going to pack it in here nice and tight. That's so when the pellet hits it, it actually stops it. I actually learned this from airgun Leshy when he did his videos. I don't know where he got the idea for it or not, I don't know. But you'll probably need 2 pounds to put it in there. You're going to need the gloves, it is sticky. Just take a couple of pieces of it here. Pull it off, and you're just going to mash it in there in layers. This stuff's pretty tough. I mean, it's kind of hard to tear, but it's nice. It's kind of soft. I'm going to push in all the corners in there. And so I figured I'd probably need about 2 pounds of this to fill that box. There's a lot of cubic inches inside this box. A lot of people don't think about that. I never gave it a thought until I started messing with electrical circuits and stuff. This probably cost me about a scrap piece of wood. This box here is probably about $2.50. Duck seal, I can't remember how much that was. I had just a piece of PVC pipe left over, and I spent like $2.50 for each one of these caps here. This one is really sticky. It's almost the consistency of taffy. About 1.5 pounds looks like it's going to fill it. You can see, yes, it is sticky. The reason why I'm using this duck seal in this box is so I can stop the pellet from passing through and putting a hole in my wall. A bit more here. And there you go. So now you got the feed coming out here. You got a backstop. Make sure it stops that pellet. We got that there now. Let me take care of this here. I mean, the more you mess with it, the softer it gets. And then I'll seal that in there for right now. Use it a little bit later on for another project. Put this in the trash. Grab some corn. As you can see, it is filling up in there. I'll probably put one more in here. Then you put your cap on, and that's pretty much it. And let's see. There we go. And I got the white background here so I can actually see them. That gray would have been hard to see that mouse in the very dim light I have set up inside the shop. So, as you can see, you can sit here, you can move it back and forth here and get it to come up so you can actually get a bigger hole so all those kernels can come out. Alrighty. It's that simple, guys. Just a few dollars here and there, some scrap pieces, and you can actually make a nice little safe place for you to actually dispatch your pest animals. Safe backdrop. Let's do that there so I know where it's at. And there we go. Like I said, the mouse and the rats don't know. All they're after is the food. They pay no attention to that. They just see a wall they can hide up against as they're trying to get food. They can see all the way around them on this side here, and they feel safe up against the wall because that's all they have to watch out for. Later on, I'll probably put a back, a side here, and a top later, a bit later on. Then after that, we'll see how it works out. Alrighty guys, see y'all the next time.